Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have admin rights and opening Windows Update. First, go to Start, Open Settings, then Update and Security. This puts you where app and system updates live. Once done, make sure you're signed in as an administrator because the next steps modify services and store behavior. If you're using a work-managed PC, pause here and check group policy or IT approval since those policies can override local changes. Now you'll stop Microsoft Store from updating apps automatically. Open the store, click your profile, choose Settings, and toggle Update Apps automatically to off. That stops store-managed apps. For more control, set your Wi-Fi as a metered connection in network and internet. Windows treats metered networks as limited and won't auto-download large updates. If you need enterprise control, use Group Policy or MDM to disable store updates centrally, which finish by preventing background update agents from restarting. Open Services, find Windows Update, and set Startup Type to manual or disabled. Be aware this blocks system updates until you re-enable it. After a reboot, verify by opening Store and forcing a manual app update to confirm automatic updates stay off. If automatic updates still occur, make sure Group Policy or Mobile Device Management isn't enforcing settings. Those take precedence. Troubleshooting tip. If updates persist, check scheduled tasks and active policies, then reapply your changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.